Hi students, let's look at this question which was taken from the Specimen paper, 2017 paper on question 16. This is H2 mathematics. This question is on vectors. So let's look at the first one. Now the non-zero vectors A, B, C are such that A cross B equals to C cross A, given that B is not parallel to C, or B is not equal to negative C. Find the relationship between A, B, and C. Okay, great. So let's see how we can do this. The first thing is I will suggest we just going to try and take out the common vectors here. So here, what we have is essentially bring this over to the other side. This A cross B minus C cross A, and this will give us a zero vector here. Okay, so when this is a zero vector, okay, this is not zero. This has to be a zero vector because it is a vector. This over here just means that it's 0, 0, 0. Okay, all these vectors undergo this operation here. They will just yield a 0, 0, 0. Now, then the other thing is we need to, if we can, we factorize out one of the vectors out. Okay, what we can do here is, because this A is in the first position here, so this A have to move to the first position as well. What you can do is actually just remember, when you flip, so minus, this will be negative A cross C. Okay, that will be okay. Now once done, okay, of course you can skip step here, but I'm just going to slowly do it so that this is alright. Okay, once they are in the same position here, so meaning if they are in the first one and the first position here, if they are in the same position, then only you can sort of like, you can factorize the A out, right? So you factorize this A out, B cross, what is left behind is B and C. Okay, so this is B plus C here, and this is zero vector. Great. All right, so once done, we want to find a linear relationship between A, B, and C. This is it. If you take, this is a vector, this is a vector here, and this is also another vector. So these two vectors, when you cross them, you get a zero vector. Okay, just take note. So if say M cross N is 0, what we can deduce is M and N are parallel. Okay, because of the cross product. When theta is 0, okay, M cross N unit vector will just be mod N sine 0, which is actually 0. Okay, this is a zero vector here. So to get a zero vector will mean that you have to be parallel to each other. Okay, just take note. So M and N up, they are parallel. So from here, what we can deduce is actually A is parallel to B plus C. As long as cross product, okay, you will get a parallel vector. So from here, what we can deduce is A equals to K, or you can just write down, because we need B, right? So B, what do they need? They need a linear relationship. Okay, so A is equals to K B plus C, where K is a constant. Okay, yeah, that's about it. This is a linear relationship. You can just write it as such, or you can just put the K on the other side, then it looks nicer, but this is fine. Okay.